welcome to another video. Today I am going to be opening some, not match packs, it's not any of them cards, it is a card, and Mum's making noise, and it's basically Champions League cards, and I'm going to be opening some packs, so let's go on the first pack. I've got, okay, I've got it open. That's my mum, that wasn't my mum, that would be way too loud. Okay, so first I got this guy from Porto. I don't know who he is. This guy from Olympiacos. I don't think you can read the names. This guy's. He's 79 defense and 67 attack. The other guys are really low rated. They are here. These guys are coming over. Oh! Kongonglu or something. Man the match 84 from Bayern Leverkusen. Ooh, decent. This guy, 70 rated. Macon. Oh, come on. Oh, not a bad goalie. That's goalie. Fernando Mascalera. I forgot what they're called. Fenerbahce's rivals, I think. This, oh, I don't know who the hell this is. Who's Raman? Damian. Yeah, Damian. Pedro, Chelsea. 76 attack, he's more than that. Come on. And Christoph Kramer. Leverkusen, 73 rated. And oh, David Alaba. Oh, that's good. Now, next pack. Oh, Xabi Alonso, Mario Götze. Oh, that's good. That's a good one. No, it's not very good actually. Oh, Keylor Navas from Real Madrid.
Strawberries.
Eduardo, who is he? Goes Real Madrid. Oh, this is in the middle of the pack. I thought it was meant to be at the end. Oh, 79, no, not I don't know, I'm just saying him because I don't have a clue what they are. John Terry, I'm not going to say him because, yeah. Okay, I'm turning